This was a Supreme Court decision on a former president and the power of the presidency. Donald Trump on the docket drew a crowd, not the supportive kind.
He's got immunity.
They learned of a court decision to give him immunity from prosecution, in part.
I think it's another cop-out by a corrupted Supreme Court.
I'm shocked. I really thought the Supreme Court would come to its senses.
This is about the January the 6th riots at the Capitol and Donald Trump's alleged role in it.
We fight like hell.
He's been due to face trial for spreading false claims about the 2020 election, blocking its certification and intimidating voters. But Trump's lawyers argued to Supreme Court judges that he should be immune from prosecution as a former president. The judges partly agreed. They said a president should have immunity for official acts carried out in office, but not for acts deemed unofficial.
What Jack Smith has to do now is go back to his indictment and go through it line by line and decide which allegations now are immune from prosecution and which are not and can survive.
More than 400 people have been jailed since the riots at the Capitol. The criminal pursuit of the man accused as their inspiration just got more complicated. And so a lower court will now decide what can be prosecuted, the difference between the official act of a president and an unofficial act. It will almost certainly delay Donald Trump's election subversion trial beyond the November election. Donald Trump called the Supreme Court decision a big win for our Constitution and democracy. Republican-appointed judges carried the day, including 3 chosen by Trump himself. There was bitter criticism from the Democratic-appointed minority about a president insulated from criminal prosecution. Justice Sonia Sotomayor gave examples. Orders the Navy's SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival, immune. Organises a military dissenting coup to hold on to power, immune. Takes a bribe in exchange for a pardon, immune, 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 immune. With fear for our democracy, I dissent, she said. It is a significant story, even if the plight of the sitting president remains front page. The First Lady and close family are said to be backing Joe Biden to carry on.
He did not a single thing to stop it, nothing.
In a same-day political advert, the Biden campaign exploited the January the 6th issue. With their rival on a roll, they need the distraction.